You can't raise pigs well without old folk remedies. Many problems even expensive herbs can't solve. Often a simple trick works easily. Today, I share a remedy for pigs with poor appetite. Save this video. Mix 10 gin boiling water plus 1 gin wheat bran plus 2 liang salt plus 2 liang baking soda plus 2 liang brown sugar. Feed on empty stomach in the morning for 7 days. Pigs will eat greedily and grow fast. Follow me for low-cost pig farming. We are looking for distributors across Africa.